guys, so today I came to you with a hair tutorial. I've been posting a lot of stuff about my hair on my Instagram, and don't judge me right now, I know I look rough, but today I'm going to do, I guess, like a wash day vlog, if you will, and then towards the end of the video I'm going to try the wet look because it was requested. I tried it once before on my hair and everybody seemed to like it, so I figured I'd show you how I get that look. And this is the shampoo I use. It's BioTerra, I think I'm saying it right, shampoo. And it's to protect the color in my hair so it just doesn't quickly fade. And if you don't know what the wet look is, it's been going around on YouTube lately. Just girls style their hair like they wash their hair. I like to do mine on clean hair personally, but some people do theirs on dirty hair, which is fine. You could do it on either type of hair, but I use conditioner, gel, and water in my hair, and it just makes my hair really curly, and I just slick it back, and it looks really pretty. You'll see. But first I'm going to start off by washing my hair, taking a shower and washing my hair, and then I'm going to move into actually the styling process, me using conditioner, water, and gel. So just stay tuned. I like this shampoo because it lathers up pretty fast. I hate when I get a shampoo and I have to wash my hair or wet my hair 2 or 3 times for it to lather up. So that's one thing that's good about this shampoo. And the conditioner that I use is the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and this conditioner is so good. It has a lot of slip and it works really well in my hair. And this conditioner is very inexpensive. It costs $6.99, I believe. And now I'm just going to detangle my hair with this wide tooth comb. This is the reason why girls with curly hair be so strong, because we be having to detangle our curls. They just don't want to be separated. They want to be together. Okay, now I'm just gonna wash this conditioner out of my hair. And now taking my Denman brush, I'm just gonna brush through my hair, detangling my curls. And I'm gonna turn around just to show you what my hair looks like from the back. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna continue to wash up in the shower. I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna take one of these old t-shirts and just dry my hair off with it. I use t-shirts instead of towels because it creates less frizz in my hair and it's just better for your hair. Okay, so now I'm back in my room. I'm about to go ahead and take off this t-shirt and just start the styling process. When I do this particular hairstyle, I like to section my hair off into about 4 sections. First hair product that I'm going to use is this hair product by The Main Choice, and it's hair butter, and it looks like butter, but then like when you warm it up in your hands, it turns into like this oil, and I like it because it leaves my hair feeling really moisturized. Next, I'm going to take this big bucket of Eco Styler gel I got from the hair store.
I know it's huge, but I be running out of Eco Styler gel fast. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and work it through my curls. And then I'm gonna take my Aussie conditioner again and just take a few pumps of that and put it in my hair as well. Next I'll be using my mister, my spray bottle. It's a mister, but I'll be using that and just spraying my hair with it because my hair started to dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my dimming brush and brush through my curls to define them. Lastly, I'm gonna add a little bit of gel at the root of my hair just to lay it down flat. And now I'm just gonna repeat the same steps in my hair, and I'm just gonna fast forward it. And now that I've completed all the steps, I'm gonna just apply some gel to my edges and slick it back. And this is what my hair looks like when I'm done. Keep in mind my hair is still wet, but I will show you what my hair looks like when it's fully dry. Next, I'm going to put my scarf on to slick down my edges. Now it's time for my favorite part, my edges. And I've been trying this new edge control by Style Factory, and it smells like blueberries. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. now I'm just gonna untie my scarf and smooth back the hairs into the hairstyle just so it all blends well. And now I'm just tying my hair back up and letting it sit for some time. Okay, so now I'm back and I'm untying my hair. And I'd say my hair is about 95% dry. It's still a little damp in some areas, but for the most part my hair is almost dry. And you can see that it shrunk a lot. I'm just gonna turn around real quick so you guys can just see what it looks like from the back. The left side of my head has a looser curl than the right side of my head. It's always like that, and I think I get it from my mom because that's how her hair is too. And alright, that's it for this video. I'm just gonna give you guys another look at my hair. This is how it turned out now. My hair is completely dry now, and I really like the way this hairstyle turns out for me each time I do it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and thank you for watching. See you next time.